Best drone for photography. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 drone for photography. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Holy Stone drone for photography. The optimized Full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens enables you to see the word from different angles. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. Equipped multi-sensors guarantee hovering with great stability and high-quality pics taken under different flying environments. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Ruco drone for photography. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. Bring amazing view sight. The camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. F11 Pro camera drone equipped with one upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 30 minutes flight time, gives you more fun. 5V/3A adapter. Do not use charger over 5V/3A and fast charging is prohibited. It comes with beginner settings to let you get used to, then you can use other functions further. Easy to fly for all levels. Intelligent flight features like follow me mode, tap fly, point of interest. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Sandrock drone for photography. The Sandrock U52 drone can roll and flip in 4 directions and flip the drone 360 degrees accordingly, makes the flight more exciting. Post V sign to activate the drone to take photos within a distance of 2 to 3 meters between you and the camera. A palm gesture makes the camera start recording videos within 3 seconds. With a built-in G sensor, enables the drone to follow the moving directions of your smartphone, makes your flight more interesting. Intelligent voice control function is controlled by app, able to landing, take off according to your voice commands. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set, add fun to your flight. The controller will alarm with continuous beep sounds which call your attention to fly back the drone before it out of control because the drone is weak signal or low power. With headless mode, no matter where the drone is facing, it will always be controlled by the direction of the remote control. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Bwine drone for photography. A one-click detachable 4K video camera, along with 120 degrees FOV lens and larger COM sensor will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience. Especially to record the unforgettable night scenes you see. Besides, equipped with 3-axis gimbal plus 5x digital zoom ensure its shooting more stable and convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction and composition. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.